Hey there, welcome to podcast with Dr. Shivam and excited to talk about mentality of winning in this part. It's a matter of time that you are going to win, but for winning you need some points to remind yourself. I know that learning is an clumsy and awkward procedure, but with this procedure, if you are trying to look cool and be easy and be in your comfort zone, winning is going to be very difficult. All of that comfort is just going to hold you back. People that really get somewhere are the ones that are able to build extraordinary persistence in themselves. They are the ones that are not afraid to put efforts even in the hard situation. They are never worried about what other people will think about themselves and their life. The people that go on to win are the people who become capable of growing the power of persistence. The ones that didn't worry what other people thought about their own journey. With your journey, many times you might embarrass yourself, accept that it's a part of process. But if you can fight through that, if you can let things happen but don't lose hope and focus, you will master the art. What I always remind you is to never judge yourself through the lens of particular moment. If you are slow at times, things are not working out for days, productivity is at lowest, but still somewhere inside you know that in long timeline you are going to win and you have to win. And for that you have to wake up, make things possible, pick up your lost speed and reach to your maximum productivity. Remember that wars are not won by staying at comfort zone. They are won on blood and sweat. Warriors rarely put their weapons off before the fight ends. So when you start understanding the rules of life, you know that the process is difficult, but it is predictable. You know that you are going to go through it. You know that you are going to be clumsy. You are going to be in awkward situation. You are going to fall. You are going to embarrass yourself. It's going to be difficult, but with discipline and dream inside you, you are going to make changes in your mind and to your physiology, to your genes, for writing victory in your name. The people that are able to build extraordinary things in history are the ones that have taken consistent action and were not afraid to fail. This is Dr. Shivam. Hope that podcast had struck you somewhere at some point in your life. Hoping you a lot more success ahead. Signing off. Thank you.